escalation in and of itself is not necessarily bad, and in fact, if you think of a crisis where one party makes an escalatory move and that ends the crisis, then it's a good thing. Inadvertent escalation is when an escalatory move, instead of successfully terminating the crisis, leads to the other party making yet another escalatory move and making the crisis worse. So inadvertent escalation is purposeful but can be dangerous. Accidental escalation is somewhat different because it refers to an action that is not purposeful but is misinterpreted by the adversary as being escalation. Both of these have taken place between India and Pakistan and unfortunately will take place in the future. But this doesn't mean that risk reduction can't help. I would say that both India and Pakistan have learned from their experiences with inadvertent and accidental escalation, and they have put into place some measures that may reduce the risks of this type of escalation. For example, we have the hotlines between the Directors General of Military Operations on both sides, which provide a direct avenue of communication between these individuals during a crisis, and these have in fact been used during crises. So the news is not all bad, but there's lots of scope for future development of such avenues.